Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is called Blissful, a journal called Blissful. It's a spring themed journal. I've used my new kit, which is a collage bumper kit. I'll link that below. I've also used the Traveler's Notebook size spring mist kit, which is my kit. That was a collaboration between myself and ARTYmaze. I think it was like 2 years ago. So I've dragged that out of the cupboard, and I will link them both below, mine and ARTYmaze's. And I've used other things as well, which I will go through. Hopefully you'll see the video. I made loads of these little circles. They were inspired by, I can't remember what it's called now. Buttons for brains. I will link her video as well, but I have got a video on that. It's just taking forever to upload. It's still uploading as I'm doing this, and I've done that I done these like hours ago. So anyway, there will be no more free shipping. I'm going to try and make this very short. Obviously there's been lots of delays. I've mentioned it in various videos. Then I made a boo-boo, which, you know, I just realised that I'd done that in the last like 24 hours, and somebody's not happy with me at all. And obviously I've explained the situation, and you know, it was Christmas and everything else, but I've actually insulted this person because, you know, I could have lied, right? I could have lied and gave some like bullshit, basically, excuse my language. I could have gave some like BS and said blah 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 blah, but no, I've insulted this person. And you know what, I just thought, God, I was doing a good thing. Yeah, I probably took on too much over Christmas, my own fault, made a mistake. I'm only human. I work all by myself. I get a little bit of help from the web host. I'm in a group with them, which is Wix, and they're very, very helpful when it comes to situations. So I'm now sorting stuff out with Royal Mail, trying to track this. But everybody, the day that I shipped these things out, nobody has received it. I've contacted a few ladies tonight, and they've got back to me straight away saying like, oh no, Yvonne, you know, like, we know the hassle that has been going on over there. There has been delays with the US as well. Even though the cause of the delays were weather and stuff, it still causes backlogs. So, you know, it's like some things are just totally out of my hands. But anyway, I'm sorry, but there will be no more. I have to do tracking with this because, you know, it kind of stressed me out tonight because I felt like I wasn't being believed. And I've got, you know, because it was free shipping, it was standard shipping, so I don't have a tracking number for it. So that's really like peed me off. That was a little bit of my own fault for, you know, giving out something for like with free shipping. But anyway, so I will be keeping it. I'm going to be using which is Hermes here in the UK. They changed the name over here, so I'm going to be using that. And to be quite honest, they are reasonable. You do get tracking with it, which is absolutely brilliant, and it is cheaper than Royal Mail. So I've sent a load of stuff off I've sent 2 lots off, some last week, some today. Was it today, yesterday? I can't remember. I had a nap this afternoon. But anyway, so there's a load going out. A load went out, I should say, and I'm going to be doing that as well to try and keep the cost of shipping down, but still having it tracked. I need the tracking now because that kind of stuff stresses me out, and I don't like to be like, you know, basically called things that I'm not. Right, enough. I know I shouldn't really go on about this, but anyway, right, the kits that I've used are mine, ARTYmaze, other things going on. Loved this. I haven't done this one before, I don't think. So it's a tag, which is from ARTYmaze, a little label there that is ARTYmaze. The journal measures, let's get to this. The journal measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, one signature, 56 pages front and back. Will be listed in my shop, okay? And yeah, these, like I said, there's a video, hopefully it'll be up before this one. I've done 4 stitching all around here. That's actually real stitching. We've got the fabric as a closure. There we go. And do you know what I just noticed? I must be blind, right? I just noticed that I hit 25,000 subscribers about a month ago. So I'm gonna come up with some form of giveaway for that. I don't know what it's going to be yet. So thank you to everyone who has supported me over the years, not just here on YouTube, but on Instagram, on TikTok, in the groups that I run, Junk Journal Junkies, all the groups. Thank you very much. Very much appreciated. So yeah, that will be coming soon. I'll think of something. I might actually do something like work along, do some videos, make a journal, do everything on video, and then, like, you know, pick a winner. But anyway, right, this is my kit. I'm yakking too much tonight. And I made tags using tags from my kit, tags from the Spring Mist, and these are freebies from ARTYmaze, so I've used them as well. And then I've just kind of used my kit for the pockets, and then all these are from ARTYmaze. Oh no, the words are ARTYmaze, that's ARTYmaze, and that's from the Spring Mist kit. This is from, I think, TaylorMade Journals. We've got a little pocket here with a little tag. The tag is from my new kit. That is from the Spring Mist. This is Bohemian Crafting, and I have actually gessoed on some of the pages. That's some Spring Mist. This is from my new kit. Then I just done these, which is my tags, ARTYmaze's. Oh, what's that from again? I think that's from Tag Fabrication, and the words and the little sayings or the quotes are a freebie from ARTYmaze. This is from the Old Design Shop, which I have just joined the Old Design Shop, a design team. So there will be a video coming this week. I've got some labels to play with, so I'm going to be making some stuff with that. Obviously it'll be embellishments to go into a journal. I always mention the Old Design Shop, the blog, and the Etsy store. I'll link them both. They will be below anyway. That's open, so if you wanted to tuck something in there, you can do. This is from my collage bumper kit. That was just some hearts. I found a tub full of bits, and I've done some full stitching. Butterfly. There's an envelope I made. This is from, I think that might be tag, build a tag, cluster tag thing. Build a cluster tag kit, that's it. So that's opened there, and that's another little circle that I've made. They were so quick and easy, and like I said, inspired for buttons for brains. I think that's what it's called. Up, I'm not saying that wrong. So here, that was, like I said, the envelope. Done some stamping as well. This is lined with coffee dyed paper. That's a Tim Holtz slotted pocket with lots of little pieces of tags and stuff in there. That's from my kit. So I find with these, if you start at the bottom one and put things in, it's easier, because if you start up there, sometimes it all gets caught and stuff. So that's how I found it to be. So it's a little bit like a jigsaw puzzle, I think, doing these. So that goes in up there like so, like that. That was just a long piece, and I thought that will go in there nicely. And so with that, obviously, because that's where it came from, in there. Here we go. And then a little tag in the back there, and like you can tuck stuff inside here. Coffee dyed papers. This index card with a tab. These are from ARTYmaze, just some journal cards. This paper is mine. The back tags are mine. Well, that's mine as well, because it's from the Spring Mist TN kit. So that's the tags. And then you've got that pocket there, pocket there, pocket there, pocket there. Butterfly, bit of lace trim. That goes in there. I do like that shade of blue. Little pocket there, just with some little bits from the Spring Mist kit. Freebies from ARTYmaze. Again, my tag, Spring Mist, freebie, ARTYmaze. Little tuck there, another little circle. Tag from Build a Cluster Tag Kit. Little tag that's actually opened at the back as well, but that goes in there. I'll just put it there just now. Again, not really a tuck, but you could if it was something small. Tag from ARTYmaze. I really like making them, especially if you've got good backgrounds. Like I say, I think I'll make some more of them with the little the labels from the old design shop. These are as ARTYmaze, my tag, bits and bobs from ARTYmaze. That flips out. As you can see, it's been gessoed. That's opened at the back, and then that is opened there if you wanted to tuck a little something in there. So that goes in there like so. That flips out twice because it was just a little bit too much there and I didn't want to trim it off. So it's been gessoed. Excuse my inky fingers. Little tag, really little tag in there. And another tag there from ARTYmaze. That's from the ARTYmaze's new spring blossom kit. And tags and circle embellishments. I really like them. So easy. Excuse me, froggy throat. Another tag. Another one of these multi-pockets. I've got videos in these. You can see these on my playlist, Cold Let's Make. If you go onto there, there's like 130 odd videos, and there's other playlists as well. But like that particular one, Let's Make, is just quick makes, quickish makes. There we go, and an index card, and that was made with the paper from my new kit. Thank you to everyone who's made a purchase on that already. It's a digital download. Oh, that reminds me, it just reminded me of something. Nothing that I need to tell you about, but it just reminded me about something. All these little tags again in there, like so. Tim Holtz slotted pocket. Oh, taking my time. The little things really, I find really fiddly. There we go. And the tag goes in the back like so. And like I said, that opens. We've got another circle thing here, a tag from ARTYmaze, and that is slightly up. Yeah, is that tuck? Yep, little tuck there. If you want it to be. Another tag. Oops. Is that slightly open? Might be. Yep, little double heart there. That flips out. Just a little tag in there. That's a bit of a tuck as well. And that flips out like so. Little fluffy bit stuck on there. And little tag goes in there like so. Pocket, that's a tag in a pocket, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Like I said, I really do like that cover, that little topper, whatever you want to call it. So like I said, I've explained everything at the beginning. Sorry for having to do that again. I think I explained it in a video, not last night, the night before or something like that, but I should have done a separate video, to be honest, but there we go. This will be shipped not by Royal Mail, but with Hermes International or Hermes UK, not Hermes, every UK. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.